Our project is on the promoting the integrated use of insects as food and feed in the Democratic Republic of Congo and also in Zimbabwe. That's in Southern Africa. The past 3 days we have been learning on how to define change amongst the stakeholders in the insect value chains, and we have also learned on how to actually map the change pathway and also how to monitor these changes in amongst the different actors. So we're going to use the theory of change, first of all, to redefine the changes that we want to take place. In this particular instance, we want the traders, the insect traders, to change from informal trading of the insects into organized markets. This is the change that we want. And there are other players that will influence that change, which include the urban councils who actually give licenses for these traders and get them organized. So we will use the various tools of theory of change to actually first of all, looking at the changes, the drivers for the change, and also looking at the risks associated with these changes that we want to implement. And we will also use some tools for monitoring and evaluation, which we have learned from this course. Thank you.